Oh guys, so check this out. I just got this through the post today. As you can see, this is a car battery. So if you've watched my last video, you'd know why I've got a new battery. The current one in my car has gone dead. So here it is. It's just a cheapish one I bought off eBay. So usually I'd get my car batteries off Euro Car Parts. You just go online, type in your car details, and a whole list of batteries should pop up, and then you can just pick it up on the day. However, on this occasion, none of the batteries that popped up were actually the correct fitment for my car. That's why it's important to know the dimensions of your battery. So what I did was I just went on eBay and I typed in the dimensions of my battery, which is 278 by 175 by 175. And this battery popped up. It's quite cheap, £50. And if the stats are accurate, it's quite decent. 600 cold cranking amps, 60 amp hours, and it's also got a 2-year guarantee. So I've got my charger out, and as you can see, I've got 2 motorcycle batteries. UASA for the R1, Vata for the ZX9R. So I'm going to check these out because they've been in storage for a while, and hopefully those videos are going to be coming soon, inshallah. But for now, let's just check, because these batteries should be coming fully charged, ready to plug and play. So I'm just going to check that out right now with my tester. Just going to pop these caps off. Let's just plug them up. Press this button to check it. 100%. So we're going to go ahead and install this now, but just before I do that, I'm going to check the condition of these 2 batteries. They've been in storage for a while. My bikes have been parked up for a little while now. So let's just quickly check the condition of these batteries. Okay, so that's showing just 40%. Let's try the UASA. Okay, so that's also showing 40%. I'm going to charge these up, and those videos will come soon. Let's go and install this battery into the car. Alright, so replacing a car battery is actually really simple. So let's get the tools that we need to do that. So first thing we're going to need is a 10mm spanner for the terminals. And we're going to need a 14mm ratchet socket for the clamp that's holding the battery in place. Get the ratchet out and get the extension, and that's all we're going to need. The only difficult thing is the battery is actually quite heavy. Right, so first things first, on my battery I've got this little plastic thing on top. I'll go ahead and unclip it. It's just a couple of clips on the sides. So then we're going to go ahead and loosen the negative battery terminal. 10mm on my battery. Just loosen that off like so. There you go, and that should just wiggle off like so. Put that out of the way. Okay, so the next thing is the positive terminal. Go ahead and loosen that off. And that should be loose enough to take the terminal off. So just go ahead and wiggle that off, to wiggle the whole thing off like so. As you can see, just try to push that out of the way. So the last thing is this clamp. Alright guys, so it actually turned out to be a 13mm in the end. Go ahead and just loosen that off. Okay, so the whole thing just comes off like so. Then we go ahead and carefully lift the battery out. It's quite heavy. Alright guys, so check this out for size. It's fairly matched. It might not be exactly the same, but it's just a couple of mils different. Shouldn't be a problem. The new battery also got this indicator, which is also green. This is still green, but we know the battery's dead, so that's a bit useless. Let's go ahead and try install this battery now. So I'm going to just gently put this in place like so. Go ahead and get the clamp that on. Alright, so let's take these caps off. and put the terminals on. Make sure the ground is not touching any of the chassis, any metal parts of the car. Just slide that on and just clip these plastic bits into the sides like so. Let's see. Now I'm going to go ahead and just tighten that clamp up. Get that nice and firm. And that should be good to go. Now we come to the negative, do the same. There could be some slight sparks, but that shouldn't be a problem. And we'll just go ahead and tighten that up as well. Get that nice and firm. Alright, so just double check terminals are not loose at all. And there you have it, guys. So let's go and try to start the car up. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if the remote starts working now. It's not been working for the last couple of days. It's looking good. Let's start this car up, inshallah. So for the last few days, I've been using my trusted jump starter every single time that I've had to start the car up. But now, hopefully, inshallah, I won't need that anymore. Go ahead and turn the ignition, and there you go, started straight up. Alright guys, so let me know if you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and until next time, peace.